A scavenger bird is widely used as an alternative treatment for cancer, especially in Colombia. Which is that bird and how it is used? Come on, let's see in detail. This is Soumya's capsules enriched with knowledge.
The use of American black vulture, a scavenger bird, has been reported as a complementary medicine for the cancer patient, especially in Colombia. As we know, the complementary medicines are a group of medical system and healthcare that is not considered part of the conventional medicine. It is not systematically taught in medical schools and is not available in official healthcare system. The American black vulture is a species of scavenger bird. It is widely distributed throughout America. Their scientific name is Cargipus atratus. In Colombia, they are commonly called tulo, gallinazo, zamuro, golero, etc. These birds are generally found in open and semi-open areas, especially in the outskirts of cities, primarily in garbage dumps or landfills. Although black vulture is primarily a scavenger bird, it also attacks young and small animals. National Cancer Institute in Bogota carried out a study on the prevalence of the use of complementary and alternative therapies in cancer management. The study consists of two research projects, one with adults and the other with pediatric populations. Both projects were approved by the Institute Ethics Committee. A qualitative approach was used for the study, utilizing an in-depth interview method. Potential participants for the study were identified from the results of a prevalence survey performed between 2008 and 2010. 359 adults with a cancer diagnosis and 303 caregivers of children with a cancer diagnosis were considered for the study. Every subject who mentioned the use of the black vulture as a treatment was invited to participate in an interview. Participants were asked for a permission to record the interview. All of them agreed. The interviewer was a clinician with experience in this methodology. The interviewer asked two questions regarding the use of this therapy, and the questions were: in what way is the American black vulture used for treating cancer, and how does this type of treatment works? And the results were discussed as below. The American black vulture is regarded as having special qualities, one of which is the capacity to ingest carrion without being affected, which suggests that the animal has a special strength, particularly concerning its immune system. As stated by the participant, since a vulture eats rubbish and does not get sick, well, it must have strong immune defenses. Additionally, the bird is regarded as an especially hardy animal that can survive adverse conditions. Thus, one of the participants said, "They brought the vulture to me from the plane and it lasted several days in the house because my son was here getting chemotherapy, and the animal lasted like 8 days without eating. In some cases, the animal are exposed to human-induced treatments to further strengthen the immune system and prepare them for use as therapy against cancer. As one patient relates that there is a man on the coast that catches them and feed them with meat from tumor-affected people. Regarding the form of usage, it was said that drinking the fresh blood of the bird is the most common form of usage for cancer treatment. In this sense, having a living bird is most important for extracting the blood. This is illustrated by the participant. There is a man who catches a vulture and brings it to us. He comes to the house and prepares it so that the person can drink it right away. There he kills it and he gives you the warm blood, all of the blood that he gets from it. Not much more, a little cup of it comes out. The vulture does not have much blood. The man charges approximately 35 USD to catch the vulture and prepare the entire remedy. The participant explained. In majority of the cases, the participant indicated that the blood is drunk in small quantities and combined with other substances, especially wine or berry juices. The objective of this mixture is not only to mask the taste of the blood, but also to add substances that can reinforce the effect of the treatment. In addition to drinking the blood, another administration method consists of ingesting the cooked meat or the broth made from cooking the bird. The person must drink all the broth and try to eat one piece every day. All the components of the bird are of equal use. One participant commented that the vulture will be grilled until it became very dry and it was ground up and the powder was added to the food and she ate. Another participant said the bones are toasted and dried and a flour is made and beverages are made out of from it. This form of preparation appears to have been commercialized. Regarding the dosage, a daily administration for 9 days or 9 weeks is prescribed. Then the later likely recurs the use of ground and powder preparations. One participant mentioned that the idea is to take the treatment for 9 weeks, but that is difficult because you have to get an animal for each time. The participant did not offer information that allowed for an explanation of why the duration of the treatment is associated with the number 9. This number seems to have a mystical meaning and it is present in witchcraft and shamanic rituals as well as traditional medicinal practices from other cultures. It is believed that using a treatment for 9 days grants therapeutic continuity, prevents developments of tolerance to the substance, and avoids occurrence of either toxicity or side effects. Power attributed to the number 9 can be related to its odd nature. It is believed that an odd number of administration results in a positive result, because every even dose counteracts the previous one and its religious attachments. That is, 9 is associated with the Holy Trinity. In many Catholic traditions, prayers are made during 9 days, which is called as novena. A term also found in descriptions of ethnomedical practices in Spain. Regarding the timing of administration, nothing specific was mentioned. Only one participant reported that the treatment should be given after the administration of chemotherapy. Another element incorporated in the treatment is increasing the body temperature. In this sense, one of the subjects said a tablespoon of blood was extracted from the vulture, which was given mixed with berry juice After that, the girl was told to run around so that she warmed up and made the treatment work. The mechanism of action attributed to this treatment related to the transfer of immune defenses. One of the participants said the remedy acts on the immune system since it is a scavenger animal and eats everything while it is decomposing. It must have strong immune defenses so that it does not get sick. It may attack the tumor cell. Thus, it is concluded that the use of this word as a treatment for cancer is a popular alternative therapy in Colombia. The most common way of use is a fresh blood injection, and its attributed mechanism of action is transfer of immune defenses to the person who consumes it. A detailed report of this research paper is available in the Journal of Ethnobiology and Ethnomedicine 2012.
Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting scientific facts. This is Soumya's capsules enriched with knowledge.